guess what I just got? This sucker looks nice. Wow, that is a gable vent. Built too. All right, let's get this sucker installed. So we got, first off, I noticed this thing's got a square bottom of it. That square bottom's gonna make it easy for me to install because it ain't gonna just slide out the hole. Lightweight, easy, perfect fit. Okay. I want to line it up about center. Over there. I'm going to take that plate back and then level. 2 and 5/8. 2 and 1/2. So I need for this to go up this is just how about centered right there. Right there. And yes, I brought extra screws because I know I'm in trouble. Take that screw right there. That flange screw to them in here. I'm going to come right behind that louver right there. Right behind that louver there. Step back over. I need to get from this side first. We're not going to tighten that down yet. That'll hold it while we get our other screws in. Make sure that screw is all the way behind there. You may have noticed I'm using this nice little shaft. And if you ever say my name, I'm prepared to get it. Now wiggling around. What you trying to do? 2 and 5/8. This dirty boy done got used to winning. That is 2 and 1/2. Getting it on your own the only way to get it. Come on. No dirty boys, all I so we need this to go up a little bit over here. Tightens up. I didn't get all the way tight yet. There we go. Now let's check it. 2 and 5/8. Yeah, 2 and 5/8. Now that's pretty good tight. Now, do the same thing over here. Catch it right behind that. There we go. Now we can tighten these 2 up. Don't see no fasteners there. That is a professional job. Nice. Already pre-trimmed, ready to go. It's already flashed over the side. No problem. That's a pretty vent. Now on bigger vents, you might want to put you an extra screw or 2. You can go behind any of these louvers anywhere and hide that fastener. And if you ever need to get back in the attic and you ain't got an attic access, just unscrew it, take it right back out. Just as easy as you put it in. Fight for a coward, they just run they mouth, gonna get them knocked out. No matter what, this is usually less than a 5-minute install. You can also uninstall it. Now you can get that whole attic access. Your turn.